Hi everybody, this is Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and it's been a while, but rumors of my demise have been greatly exaggerated. Yes, I am still working full-time. Those days are coming to a close soon. I would like to apologize. It's been several months since I've contacted you, to the point where YouTube is emailing me like, your followers haven't heard from you for a while. Well, to quickly recap, it's been a busy year. I lost, as I said in my last video, a dear person to me. My mother-in-law passed away on January 31st, and then we dealt with everybody coming in for the funeral. We delayed it by 2 weeks because people came in from all over the country. She was quite a special lady. And then, of course, dealing with the closing of the estate, and then starting to deal with my impending retirement. Now, I know despite my youthful good looks, it's hard to believe, but I turned 65 this year on February 7th, and I have to tell you, it was one of the happiest days of my life. It was like a mythical number to hit 65. Even though it was a week after my mother-in-law died, I had the best day ever. I was so happy to make it to 65. So that being said, again, we dealt with closing the estate. We're the only people here in town. The siblings came in from all over to try to help. But we're the point people here, right? Dealing with the estate sale and the real estate sale, everything else. So, been a very busy summer. Then dealing with the retirement issue, Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security. It all takes time, and you'll find out when you're my age. It's a little, not confusing, but a little overwhelming. So, that's what I've been up to. But I told you also in that last video, another chapter is coming. So for many years, that intro you saw at the beginning of this video, the Kerner Tool and Die building fading in, and the Tool and Die Guy, well, that's going to change. The new chapter is called The Journeyman, so this is what the new intro will look like. So the journeyman, the journeyman. I am a certified journeyman tool and die maker, certified by the Pennsylvania Department of Labor as a journeyman tool and die maker. And that's important to me, and it probably should be a little important to you too, because I know so many people post things here on YouTube, and it doesn't matter, I guess, if they have finished an apprenticeship, but boy, I had a good one. And I am certified lunatic, certified tool and die maker, but that's who you're learning from when I post videos. So over the last 15 years, I posted over 500 training videos, and now I've got to look at the history I've got here. And what I want to start doing for you guys is when I go through that my computer, I got about 10,000 pictures I've taken, but I've also got all this history that I love, and I love talking about it. So the journeymen will all be about my journey, and you're going to learn a little bit about my family, how I got into this trade, how my family got into this trade, how we did all this, the shops, everything else, what I went through during my apprenticeship. A lot of fun anecdotes, a lot of fun stories, believe me. Maybe some politically incorrect ones, but that's the way it was back in the 80s and 90s, all right? So moving forward with this history, I met with the local museum, the Hagen History Center, and talking to them about how we can expand their manufacturing exhibit. And it's a nonprofit, and they have to deal with, everybody thinks their grandfather's sneakers from 1928 need to be on display, so I'm sure they're inundated with lots of stuff. So in the meantime, until we figure that out, I thought I would start doing that. I'm going to share a little history with you, then always a lesson. That's my promise. After every video about the trade and the history, maybe some of my history, there'll be a video, there'll be a lesson, okay? And there's always a lesson in every photo. So that's my promise. So the journeyman will start soon, not in 3 months like this weekend. And I'm going to finally talk to you guys about for 15 years I've been threatening to tell you about that monkey, and I'm going to tell you the story of that monkey. It was a terrifying story, but I'm still here to tell it. Wasn't that terrifying? So again, my name is Phil Kerner. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I'm still here. I'm still working. And I look forward to sharing my life's journey as a journeyman in this trade we all love. And I look forward to having you right there with me on the journeyman. We'll see you on the next video.